They needed to get the usual from Tim's Apprentice.
Is Dylan just giving up?
Nah, Dylan's still in the race.
Oh, what the fuck? Where'd you get a sausage?
Dylan has made the decision to get a sausage.
Bread. Don't we have any bread? Think of all the women.
Yeah, there's one over here, just Toby.
Bread?
So once you've finished eating, you can have the final clue.
Napkins! We have napkins.
Hi, Albie.
This is all my food.
Yeah, you have to stick your hand out.
I got some giant white toast. I thought they ordered bread.
Oh. Alright, final clue. Do you want to go somewhere secretly and read it to the camera so that they can't see what the next thing to do is? So what does your clue say?
This is something you've been fingering since you were a kid. Even if sometimes you were bored, you spelled bored wrong. Or did you? So intimate. So intimate is your knowledge that you must remember, where everything goes, showing us you something, showing us your something. It's burnt. Is yours burnt?
We share. Hey, you guys are colluding. You're supposed to be against each other.
Showing us you know is your key to victory.
So there's no clues as to what you guys need to do next.
Well, we've had a drink and we've had
spelled bored wrong. Is that the answer?
What do you think?
I don't know.
I've never been aboard, personally. I've never even been on a board of like consultants or anything.
Yours is pretty burnt. I almost set my house on fire with that one. I had a little bowl of coffee-filled water which I dunked them in when they started burning too much. A bit too slow on that one. Is it legible at all?
That's what I've got.
I'll give you a clue. It says, this is something you've been fingering since you were a kid, even if sometimes you were a bit bored. So intimate is your knowledge that you must remember where everything goes. Showing us you know is your key to victory.
My nose?
We know!
We don't know.
No, just say we know.
We know.
We know? Okay.
Look, I can put on a hat. Is that it?
It sounds like we have to solve some kind of puzzle like a Rubik's Cube.
You do. Have any of you got? Okay, here's a clue. Have any of you guys got your previous clues still with you?
Previous.
I dropped
Clues.
mine, but I vaguely remember
Do
them.
you remember what it says? Because there's a hint.
Eating Weet-Bix.
Can I go back and get them? I think they're on the ground.
Yep. Yes. What does it say? What is the exact wording of the clue?
Of which one?
Second one.
Get the usual from Tim's apprentice. Once you're done, he will have something extra for you.
Something extra.
So you've got something from Tim's apprentice.
Yes.
What are you looking for now?
Something extra?
We eat a drink, we eat food.
I said a sausage! Really? Is it just that we gotta eat another... Bloody hell!
I need a pen.
You better get one then.
I can't do this. Where do pens come from? Pen!
Alright, how much time have they got left, Madge?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Everyone's gonna stop watching.
Oh, it's a keyboard.
So did we spell board wrong on purpose? Yes, we did. Did you notice that it's the key to victory? No, you did not. You guys failed at our subtle puns.
4.5 minutes left.
Can I see the clue?
If you get anything wrong,
I'm just doing it alphabetically. That's wrong.
I think that's right. I have an unfair disadvantage.
In what way, Lauren?
Is it J?
Because I don't work with well,
I just like to point out here that Jeremy is also not a computer science student. He's a science student.
You're a science student also, though.
You're meant to be
happens if we get
writing
it wrong?
projects. You sit there all the time.
You'll see.
I won't get it wrong then.
Whoever gets it most right after 15 minutes.
Oh, wait. I fill in the blanks, so we have to fill in the whole keyboard?
As much as you can.
Oh, so not just those little things.
No.
Oh, thank you for that.
Those are the things in the keyboard that have a dick on them.
What?
I like saying dick to mean Timmy.
Now, can I pretend to be typing
Fair
in
enough.
my head and know where things go?
Oh, why is there two things there? Oh, shift. No, wait, that's shift.
It's a Dvorak keyboard.
I don't work with well, I just like to point out here that Jeremy is also not a It's close to me.
You're saying show what the numbers are.
So what happens if we get it wrong?
Like what shift numbers? The shift numbers. I won't get it wrong. Mark it at.
No.
Oh, wait. I fill in the blanks, so we have to fill in the whole keyboard?
As much as you can.
Oh, so not just those little things.
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, who says we didn't?
Do we have to fill in the blanks with correct things?
If you get it wrong, we'll hand it back to you and you have to start again.
Can I go to the max for a
No.
I need a keyboard.
Not allowed one.
So by the sounds of things, everyone is struggling just as much as everyone else to actually get the correct answer to these questions.
This is good. Very, very close.
Lauren, how are we going?
Got about the same amount of keys right now.
12 minutes, 30 seconds. 2.5 minutes left. 50 minutes is pretty good.
That's pretty exciting.
9, 10. Oh, no, 10.
I wish my keyboard had a 10 button. It would just make so much confusion.
Where's the F11?
Next to F10.
Where's the numpad? What is this?
I cut the numpad off because I thought that would be more.
What about the arrows? Are the arrows there?
Do they look like they're there?
Maybe?
Actually, this kind of looks like my laptop keyboard. The fact that it's missing all these useful things that you should normally have, like numpads.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm missing a B.
Don't forget crouch and team speed.
Yeah, no, I got that. It's just TF2 right here, that's all I got.
Looks like Lauren's got the most amount of keys so far.
Oh no!
Writing a Dvorak keyboard? You people suck.
Because apparently there is a correct answer and that's not it.
QRS. Oh,
Could have got a free one.
I could be heckling this. I feel great.
I don't think they're in the right place.
G. That's taunt.
Fairly good.
You'll find out very soon if you've missed some.
Yeah, so G's there. R is there. Yes.
1 minute, 15 seconds left.
Now, I'd just like to point out, for those that don't realise, that Jeremy is actually using, I'm assuming WoW? Are these WoW references?
Team Fortress 2.
If you guys
Either way, it's brilliant.
we'll disqualify you.
Please.
Lauren's using an onion to cheat. She's copying the answers of the onion.
1 minute.
I don't know where the comma goes.
Where's semicolon? There's.
What's that? That shouldn't
There
be
he goes.
Now that is there.
Like, everybody's taking for granted now that they don't just don't normally look at their keyboards and just use them. It seems to be the logical option, but apparently not in this case. Oh, we're getting pretty close. Now, I know this is the most riveting footage in the world.
And that can be the smiley face button. And there's the frowny face button.
Oh, and you put in one of those X buttons for the X marks the spot ones that the kids always have when they go, would you like to solve for X or find X? And they always point it out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Pencils down.
Use your keyboards to match for marking.
And give me your pen as well.
Lauren, I thought we said pens down. Pens down, Lauren.
My name. That's allowed.
Okay, that's okay then.
I am disappointed.
Jeremy, how do we feel?
Oh,
Do we feel that we just took our keyboard for granted and that we should learn more about it?
It's true, it's weird because I don't look at my keyboard when I type, but I still type and I don't know where all the keys are.
Maybe you should just like subliminally. Well, do you think that subliminal sort of just typing things would help?
I need some time to myself.
This is really nerve-wracking waiting for the result. It could be anyone's game at this stage.
We all fail miserably at keyboard and we're all not all
I
ultra
personally
nerd.
think I did very well for how I was planning to do. I was not planning to do it. So I'm happy.
I heard before you were doubting your skills because you're not a computer science
I was
student.
very doubting my skills. And then I was just trying to pretend to type something out and know where keys were from where my fingers moved.
So your street nerd smarts took over your book nerd smarts.
I suppose.
See how it goes.
I'm mostly the kind of person who looks at the keyboard when they type, so maybe that gave me advantage. I don't know.
Yeah. There you
Isn't
go.
there a
We'll see.
keyboard on that?
There is. So Dylan, how do we think how do we think we went?
Probably not.
Are we confident? Shirt.
It's this. I need more shirts.
Print you out a shirt.
Print screen. And scroll lock.
But it depends. It depends what version you've got.
Caps lock.
Dylan, my computer does not have a numlock button on it.
Oh yeah, Jeremy, what about the Toshiba button?
I had the window button. Tab. That's what it was. I'm an idiot.
What about the Apple button?
The Apple button? We don't need that button, Sam. We don't need that button.
What if we need apples?
No. Well, it depends what form of apples. Tech-related apples we don't need. And I'm biased, but we'll move on.
We need the
So what are we going with, Madge?
We need to mark with the phone.
You need to mark with the phone because Madge doesn't even know it either. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording now.
We would have marking. We should compare everyone's key across the same, and that way, if no one got this key right, whoever got it most right, maybe wins. We'll see. We'll see how we go.
We need to rig it so Dylan wins. I'm saying this for the record.
That's not going to happen. Look at his keyboard. Like, he didn't even get the Q or the Y.
He doesn't even know what a QWERTY keyboard is. Doesn't know QWERTY. This is disappointing.
So,
Okay, let's get on with it.
yes, let's have a look at your phone or computer and compare the keyboard.